This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy Pulsechain on Coinbase Wallet. First, download the Coinbase Wallet application to your smartphone or tablet. Once installed, you'll need to either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your recovery phrase. Remember, securing your recovery phrase is crucial. Write it down and store it offline in a very safe location. This phrase is the only way to access your funds if you lose your device. Next, you'll need to fund your Coinbase wallet with a cryptocurrency like Ethereum or a stablecoin. Open your wallet and locate the Receive option to find your unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully and use it to send funds from another exchange or wallet. Be mindful of network transaction fees, often called gas fees, as these can fluctuate based on network congestion. Ensure you send enough to cover both your purchase and these fees. Now it's time to swap for Pulsechain. Within your Coinbase wallet, navigate to the D-app browser and search for a decentralized exchange that supports Pulsechain, such as PulseX. Connect your wallet to the DEX. You'll then select the cryptocurrency you wish to trade, for example, Ethereum, and choose Pulsechain as the token you want to receive. Always double-check the swap details and the displayed exchange rate before proceeding. After reviewing all the transaction details, including the amount and potential fees, confirm the swap. The transaction will then be sent to the blockchain for processing. This usually takes just a few moments, but can vary depending on network activity. Once confirmed, your new Pulsechain tokens will appear directly in your Coinbase wallet. Congratulations, you've successfully acquired Pulsechain. Always remember to keep your recovery phrase private and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.